We are glad to see you on our channel. Right now you are seeing a 2-piston air compressor, and then there will be the consequences of its constant operation without automatic shutdown. This fuel pump was removed from a regular bus. The reason was that it pumped very high pressure and simply burned out in the middle.
So we develop it completely disassembled to act to the very heart, and you will see in what a terrible condition the piston and compressor head can be. Enjoy watching, like, and also share. If a head with automatic compressor shutdown was installed, due to a sufficient level of pressure in the system, this would not have happened.
Right now, we are disconnecting the head from the air compressor block. As you can see, the valves and pistons are covered with a thick layer of soot, which was formed due to the enormous temperature and insufficient cooling. We remove the valve gasket and look at the pistons themselves. We also check whether the rings on the pistons create air pressure. Is there compression? Disassemble the air compressor housing. The bolts are very overheated, so we use a pneumatic tool. Let's see what awaits us inside, but I can already say that there is nothing to comment on there. It's just awful. Everything burned out, and completely burned out. Oxygen burned inside the compressor and formed a huge deposit in the form of slag that froze on the aluminum walls. Well, what can I say? It's all replaceable. It can't be repaired. Well, how to say it can't be repaired? It can be done, but I wouldn't use this type of compressor in the future for the reason that it's not able to work constantly if the airflow is small. It would work better and last longer if the airflow were greater.